So last time na nakapasok ako dito was 2022, November 2022, and now babalik tayo. Let's see what's changed. Though evidently may mga basura sa paligid, inuna natin napansin. Let's see what else is down there. And of course in front of us, or on our left, is Mount San Miguel, or Bundok San Miguel. So being up close and personal. Meron pala ang tractor. Hintayin lang natin siyang makalagpas. Kabawalan tayo. Sobrang ingay niya. So this beach has changed dramatically. I can see that the rocky beach that I used to know is already gone. And what's left is the reclaimed area. You won't be able to recognize it anymore. I can't recognize it. The beach is gone. Although a lot of residents still live near the area. I have kids coming from those houses. Okay. Nung nakaraan nandito lang din ako, pero hindi ako nakapasok. Doon ako sa grotto.
Sa grotto.
Oo. Pero sobrang lakas ng hangin nun, kaya hindi ako nakapag drone. Okay. Buti naman binuksan nila ulit to. Pero yun nga lang, medyo delikado kasi ang daming dumadaan din na mga traktora.
Kahit naman may dumadaan, dami din naliligo dito.
Okay.
Dito naman.
Dito kayo naliligo? I was able to talk to a local, and sabi niya, since nung mahal na araw, nag-start na magbukas ulit tong part na to. Although yung parts ng area na nakikita niya medyo malayo, na nasa center, bawal maligo. So dito sa part na to pwedeng maligo until here, but part after the lighthouse, bawal. So that's a no-no. You can't access the rocky beach because nag-ooperate ang quarry. But this mountain still looks amazing kahit na bruised and battered na siya. I am done for the day. I'm excited to edit some of the photos that I took so I can post them later. I don't know. I just saw a different perspective, or saw this place from a different perspective. Different from how I picture it. I can't explain it, but it was an amazing experience. So kids are playing here and medyo nakakatakot talaga, lalo na naliligo sila na walang kasamang matatanda. I was asking them why they're still bathing parang wala silang takot. Sanay na sila. Pero yun nga, kasi mabato sa lugar na to. So, hindi ako magiging komportable na maligo dito. Lalo madilim na, syempre, hindi mo alam kung kailan ka madudulas. Bye-bye! Oy, mag-iingat kayo ha. Mauna kayo.